Welcome back, YouTube. Today I have an amazing recipe for you guys. It's going to help to detox the body. This is something that I like to consume on a daily basis. I like to get my veggies in by blending them. So our body sends us signals, right? Whenever we feel fatigue, our hair is falling out, brittle nails, skin is breaking out, our bodies are lacking nutrients. So even with aching joints, our body's telling us, hey, I need some type of nutrition. It warns us prior to it getting worse, but we choose to ignore the signs. Instead of ignoring the signs, consuming veggies helps our bodies to be more balanced. So this is my antioxidant, anti-inflammatory shake. This is that meaning gets rid of free radicals, anti-inflammatory, meaning that it protects my body from any type of degenerate disease. So right now, I'm going to add the avocado into the blender first. Just 1/2 of the avocado. And for those of you who want to preserve your avocados that are already ripe, keep them in the fridge. Once they become ripe, throw them right in the fridge. Don't let them sit out on the countertop because then they'll go bad. Carrot. Going to add a slice of red pepper. Make sure that we take in our veggies by blending them, and it's very important, especially right now we're expecting and we have a growing fetus. So this shake right here helps with the fetus brain function. Not only that, it helps with anti-inflammatory. It helps to protect the fetus from allergies in the future. So this is imperative just to throw in these ingredients, the avocado, the carrots, the red peppers. It helps the baby to stay nice and strong, which is what we need. We need healthy babies. And even for you as an individual, for me, mom, it's protecting mom too, not only the fetus. So there's a lot of benefits that come with this. The shake is not only for me. Ralph likes to have this as well, so it's not just for a specific gender. It's just for anyone. Veggies are imperative. And I love the avocado because it gives a nice creamier texture. The carrots add sweetness to the shake. The bell pepper adds a little kick, a little spice to it. And of course the greens are there also for antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. As I mentioned earlier, these ingredients are key. There's other vegetables that I like to mix and blend, but today I'm just mixing the avocado, carrots, bell pepper, and the spring mix. Now I'm just adding 2 ice cubes and some water and blend. And that's pretty much going to be it. Sometimes I like to add apple cider vinegar to my shakes, but today I'm not going to do that. So I can blend the ingredients. Alright. And there you go, my avocado carrot shake. This is good. This is good. I like it because I know it's imperative for the growth of my fetus and for my health as well. So this is good stuff right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.